All right, so today I'm going to show you guys how to fill content gaps easily with the nichesss Chrome extension. So I've got two sites here. Both sites are about dogs and pets, but we're going to see what keywords this doesn't rank for and this site does, and then we're going to create content easily. And you can apply these same principles to your own site. All right, so we're going to ignore the brand names like dog day, the farmer's dog, all that farmer's dog stuff, but we want to look at dog diarrhea. So let's go here, and then we're going to, let's go to organic keywords here. I want to see. All right, so they have articles about how to, what you can give to your dog if it has diarrhea. So boom, we're going to create an article. All right, there's going to be our title. And we can also add a FAQ at the end, so I'm going to check that. And then, all right, so that article is being generated. Now let's pick another one. See, it's so much fun. We're just picking articles. Potty training a puppy. We don't have anything about potty training puppies, so let's click the keyword, the right button. All right. Boom, there's going to be our sections, our FAQ, generate, another one, done. Let's just do one more. You can see how fun and how easy this is. So blood in dog stool, that's a question that people want to answer. We'll add that as a keyword, keep these settings here. And then I'm going to actually choose the title. So what does blood in a dog stool mean? And we'll go with that one. Okay, I like that. We have our FAQ, we have our sections, gonna hit generate, and boom, as you can see, very easy to do. Let's see how our articles came out. Let me log in quickly here. All right. Alright, so that is our article. There's one of them at least. So now we're ready to go. We've got 3 articles ready to publish, and that was in less than 2 minutes. Hope that helps. Check it out. nichesss Chrome extension. See ya.